Traditional Japanese craftsmanship for clean, effortless cutting. Made exclusively for Rutlands by Gyokucho in Japan, these saws cut on the pull stroke, keeping the blade in tension throughout the cut, producing smoother, faster, and more accurate cuts with reduced tear out. The range includes compact 180mm saws with traditional rattan-wrapped wooden handles for fine detail work, alongside larger 240mm versions available with either lightweight and comfortable rattan handles or durable power grip handles with a textured, non-slip grip for greater control and resilience. Impulse-hardened teeth stay sharper for longer, while electronically plated blades reduce friction, corrosion, and resin buildup. The Dozuki features an ultra-thin blade with a reinforced back for precise, chatter-free cuts. Ideal for dovetails, shoulder cuts, and fine joinery, the universal tooth pattern cuts cleanly across, along, and diagonally to the grain. The Kataba uses a thicker blade without a reinforcing back, allowing deep cuts and flush cutting on larger workpieces. Triple-edged trapezoidal teeth slice cleanly through hardwoods, softwoods, and sheet materials, leaving an exceptionally smooth finish. The Ryoba combines two tooth patterns on a double-edged blade, one side for rip cutting along the grain, the other for cross-cutting across it, making it one of the most versatile Japanese saws for joinery and cabinet making. Also in our range are the compact flush cut saws, ideal for trimming dowels, plugs, and joints flush to the surface with minimal marking or damage to the surrounding workpiece. Fast cutting, fine finishes, and total control. With the Rutlands Japanese saw range,